Guys, ngayon sa ganito ako ngayon and it's renovated na siya. I like how they renovate. Hindi na sila nag-stick sa old style ng lugar nila. I mean, like, napansin ko na rin na ang dami na ngayong mga businesses na nagko-compete sa Ojongan and I think it was a great movement kay Tito Freddy na i-renovate to. Mas gawin siyang modern kaysa sa the old style game. Kasi sabi niya parang purposely ginawa niya talagang malageto yung pag ghetto kasi man, streets kasi yun man, mga gedli na, well, since yung Ojongan parang nag-enter na siya into a city pero malabo. It's just like ang ganda ng idea nila. Tito Freddy, good job Tito Freddy sa pag-renovate. Sa ilalim sana ako kaso gusto ko nang walang kasama. So far ngayon may mga nangyari, I guess. Like, there's a lot of things that happened after nung last vlog ko nung sa ako nag-vlog sa buhay ko. So, dami nangyari actually, like after nung vlog, may isang isang event na surprisingly hindi siya nag-work, but you know, I know the idea, I guess. Siguro I like to keep it that way na lang, na wala na kami wala na, like we were done, we can do that shit. For those who have no idea sa sinasabi ko, I met someone, a girl, a regular student, and I thought kasi may boyfriend siya and she's single. I thought single talaga siya, so I make a lot of moves. Okay, talagang nag-try talaga ako kasi hindi naman sa pagiging desperate. I'm not desperate talaga kasi ang goal ko lang talaga is makilala siya, pero I just wanna try talaga yung time na you know, I want some changes, some experiences sa buhay ko. And I think yun yung isa sa mga moves na I guess hindi siya nakaka-regret kasi there's a lot of lesson, promise. Like, parang warm up siya you know, but it didn't work out kasi dun ko nga nalaman na may boyfriend siya, and she was giving like, you know, signs. Hindi ko nga alam kung signs ba talaga yun or you know, kasi it was so it felt like back and forth, so I had to, you know, give it back. Hindi lang ako puro receive, I also give back, you know. And she's really good with people, lalo sa mga bisita niya, and great his hospitality. I love how she lived her life, but sadly yun nga, someone's already holding her heart and wala akong magagawa dun, like hands down wala tayong magagawa dun niya. Tagal ng pagkain ko, tinitingnan ko kasi kung nandyan na yung pagkain ko. Ito yung network. I'm sorry, parang kinakabahan kasi ako, parang nagpapalpitate ako. Nagkape kasi ako, tapos parang tulog ko 3 hours or 2 hours and 3 hours, I think. May eye bags na nga ako I look different pag walang salamin. May eye bags na nga ako. And guys, bukas na rin pati ang aming final exam, and one subject is only I gotta take tomorrow, and the other day isang subject, and the other day isang subject. So 3 subjects lang naman ang gagawin namin, at hindi pa ako nakaka-review kasi inuna ko muna yung mga projects namin bago review kasi bukas na yung pasahan and we need to rush it. Yeah. Gagi, may eyebags na nga ako, man. This is so sad. This is devastating. Speaking of devastating, what happened to us is really sad, I guess. Nung kwento ko actually sa mga kaibigan ko, nalungkot sila. Kasi they were rooting for me to this girl. Talagang they have high hopes na they think na, she's the one. Ito na yung para kay Von. Yay! Lahat na kami may girlfriend. But hindi. Actually, nung nag-confess ako sa kanya, tapos sinabi rin niya na nagkakagusto sa akin. Okay lang naman. Hindi ko na siya chinat dahil parang meron kasi akong thing kapag may boyfriend na yung babae, ayaw ko magkaroon ng branches, okay? Gusto kong mapayapa lang yung buhay ko and I don't want drama. Yeah. Okay, wala pa yung pagkain, so tapos baka hinahanap pala ako dito sa hinahanap pala ako sa ilalim. So yun yun, well, I mean, it was a fair trade actually. Hindi ako talaga nag-regret. Parang if late ko nalaman and nagpakabigay ako, dun siguro masasabi na nag-regret ako. Yeah. But may mga effort akong nagawa. Yeah, effort. Siguro nagbigay ako sa kanya ng food one time. It was like 6 Japanese cakes and isang kape because I know she likes coffee. Pero she said na masyado daw matamis. So I guess she didn't like my coffee that I drink. I-insert ko lang Geto. Sana bumili si Sardinia. Ang bagay pa rin, like it's 7 minutes and 38 seconds na nagre-record pero wala pa rin. Pero I hail a ring. Ay, bell pala. Actually, ako talaga mag-isa dito, so wala akong pakialam kung nagsasalita ako. So, walang CCTV dito eh. Anyways, nakita pala kami yun. Nung after na nag-chat kami, nag-confess, nakita kami na hindi ko in-insert yung tawag dito. Yung nangyari. So, just, we just focus dun sa project namin kasi ipapacheck namin yung Tunifod. Yun lang guys. So yun, masa si ate and ito na yung food. It's cordon bleu and with veggies and java rice. It's 125 pesos. Itadakimasu. So before I eat pala, I just wanna say na it was a good experience talaga. I found it na I'm really good if I'm being honest with myself. And nagulat yung mga kaibigan ko na I'm really good with words. Straightforward ako. I'm being true to myself. But I guess that's how it went. And I hope someday hindi ulit mangyari yun. I guess I want hindi ko naman need pero parang dito. Wait lang. Binigyan ako ng sabaw. So maybe I just I want to feel what it feels like. Sobrang haggard ko na. I just want to know I just wanna be there. But I don't really need it right now. Parang, ano ba? What's the word? I just wanna feel it. Kasi nung nag-try ako sa kanya, it was good. It felt good. Like parang, it was, ang light sa pakiramdam. Like parang gigising ka tapos sobrang light ng pakiramdam mo. Like, parang, handa ka talagang, handa ka na sa araw mo, man. When you wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, tapos, man, ready ka na. Kasi unang tumatak sa isip mo ay siya. And that's good. May tumingin sa akin. Okay, joke ah. Yun lang naman guys. So, see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace out, baby.